You can earn $300 again and again by just playing games and completing some simple tasks on your mobile phone using this new earning app. And the good thing is that even if you don't have PayPal in your country, you can still take withdrawals from this app in different gift cards, such as games gift cards like PUBG Mobile, or Free Fire gift cards, Google Play gift cards, Amazon gift cards, eBay gift cards, Spotify gift cards, Netflix gift cards, and many more. I will also show you a bonus trick to earn 10 times more money than others, so stay tuned until the end of this video. Okay, so like this video, and let's start with the first step, which is to come over to this new earning app today called Firebucks. I will leave a link to Firebucks in the description of this video and in the pinned comment. You can download the app using that link, and this is how your app will look like on your mobile. Most of you were asking me to create a mobile earning app video, so this app is for you to earn money with Play to earn games using a mobile app. But for our future videos, comment down below whether you use a mobile phone, a laptop, or a computer device to make money online. Okay, so open up Firebucks and it will ask you to sign in using Google or your Gmail account. Once you sign up, this is how the dashboard of Firebucks will look like. As you can see, you will receive 50 coins for completely free as a sign-up bonus on Firebucks, which you can later convert into money, and that's really great. Now you are on the homepage of this app, and you can see a bunch of options right here, which I will show you one by one. But our focus for today will be to earn money with Play to earn games, and by completing some simple tasks. And the good thing is that this app is available in almost all countries around the world. But for our future videos, comment down below your country name so that I can create more videos for you. So the step number 2 is to earn money playing games. I want you to just click where it says tasks, and that's going to take you to the next page where you will be shown some different tasks to make money online and the participants who have earned money by completing those simple tasks. And to make money online playing games, all you have to do is to click on the Play Games and Earn Money option right here. It will take you to this page where you can find a ton of games to play. For example, a ball sort puzzle that's going to earn you over 1,000 coins. Prison escape game that will earn you over 5,000 coins, which is really awesome. Just like this, there is Idle Furry Fishing game that can earn you over 5,400 coins. Then there is Go Candy game that can earn you almost similar coins to a fishing game. And there are many games that you can play to earn money online. Not only that, you can also install some social media apps here, like iFland app. That's going to pay you 70 coins for just installing the app on your mobile device and signing up to it. You don't need to play any game, you don't even need to keep this app. Just install it and sign up to it, and boom, you will be credited with 70 coins. Now, I will show more similar apps like this in a minute, but for now, let me show you how you will earn money by playing these games right here. So let me select this game called Woody Sort Ball Sort Puzzle to show you an example of how to earn money online by playing these play to earn games. So first of all, let's click on this game, and it will show you the levels where you have to reach to earn a certain amount of money playing this game. So the game is divided into 6 parts, and you will receive a total of over 1,000 coins for playing this game. So when you complete the first 50 levels of this game, which is really easy to do, you will receive 14 gold coins. When you complete 100 levels, you will receive 25 more coins. After 250 levels, you will receive 39 more coins, and so on. One more important thing I want to focus on is the notes section under this chart. So as you can see, this play to earn games offer is available only for new users, and you will be credited with the rewards in Firebucks within 24 hours. So for example, once you complete the first 50 levels of this game, your reward of 14 gold coins will be credited to your Firebucks account within 24 hours from the time you completed your 50th level. And to start earning money by playing this game, all you have to do is click on this blue Earn button at the bottom of this page. You will be redirected to install the app, and you can click on the Install Now button to install it to your mobile device. Then just start playing the game, complete different levels of this game, and you will be credited with your earnings in your Firebucks account. And if you want me to show my withdrawal proof from Firebucks, then help me get over 3,000 likes on this video and comment down below Firebucks payment proof. Now the third step is to earn some extra money online by completing some simple tasks. And for this again, you have to come over to the homepage and select the tasks button from there. Next, I want you to select the first option of complete surveys and earn. That's going to take you to this page where you can find many different but simple surveys to complete and earn money online. These surveys are from 10 to 15 minutes long, and they are really very simple surveys to complete. So as you can see, if you complete this 9-minute survey, you will be credited with 1,500 gold coins, which is really nice. Now if you want, you can also sort the available surveys from this settings icon on the top right corner. You can select the shortest surveys, the best matching surveys for you, and the best paying surveys here, and you can complete the same to get the best results. So let me open up this survey to show you the type of questions you need to answer to earn money here. So as you can see, in the beginning, they will ask ask you questions about your year of birth and some other personal information about yourself to match you with the best surveys. So let's select my year of birth from here and then just click on this green arrow button. Now next, they will ask you about your birthday month. So let me select the same from the months list here, and then you will need to select the exact date on which you are born. So let me select it from here too. Now they will verify all the details you entered related to your birthday by asking you your age at the moment. And the other surveys will also verify all your details that you enter in the survey. So make sure you honestly answer all the question of the surveys. And once you complete these surveys, you will be credited with the money to your Firebucks account. And if you complete all the surveys shown here and you run out of surveys, what you can do is you can come over to the home page again and select the tasks button from there. Now on this page, I want you to select the answer questions and earn option from there. That's going to show you that this quick survey will unlock the top earning surveys for you. So just turn on this icon from here and press this get started button at the bottom. So the first question is about your gender. So let me select male from there and I will press continue on the bottom to proceed. Then you need to select your education level for the purpose of getting the top earning surveys. So let me select my education and continue to the next page. Now they are asking about your daily household purchasing decisions, and you can simply select the share decision equally option from there and continue. After that, you will be asked about your employment status and many other related questions to you so that they can match you with the best and top earning surveys on this platform. So just answer all the questions of this survey. Some of them will be personal and some of them will be general questions. Just answer them and complete this quick survey about yourself. And as soon as you complete it, you will be matched with the perfect and top earning surveys available for you on Firebucks that you can complete and earn money online. Now step number 4. There are 3 ways to earn 10 times more money than others. And the first one is to log in every day on Firebucks Play to earn app. Because as you can see, you can receive daily login rewards here. So just click on this check it button, and as you can see, I have received 20 bonus points for just logging in today. I will just click on the collect button, and the same will be added to my account on Firebucks. So the more active you are on Firebucks app on a daily basis, the more free bonus money you will collect. The second bonus tip is to watch rewarded ads from here. So you can just watch some 15 to 30 seconds ads on Firebucks, and you can get paid 1 point for watching them. Let me just click on the watch ads button, and that's going to show me some random ad that I need to watch. And then I can close the ad and I will be credited with 1 Firebucks points in my account. And now the third and the highest earnings bonus trick is to click on this third icon at the bottom. And that's going to take you to this page where you can see that you can invite others to Firebucks app and you can earn a 20% referral commission of their earnings forever. So here you can see your referral link that you can copy from here by clicking on your link. Or you can directly share it across different social media platforms by pressing this share button over here. So for example, if your referral earns $100, you will be paid $20 for free as a referral bonus for referring that friend. And once you earn a good amount of money on Firebucks, you can just click on this gift icon at the bottom. And you can withdraw your earnings through different gift cards available here, such as Google Play gift cards, Amazon gift cards, and so on. Once again, I will leave a link to Firebucks app in the description of this video and in the pinned comment. You can click that link to install the app on your device. Firebucks is available only for Android at the moment I am creating this video, but in future it may be available for iOS users also. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.